In primetime news this evening, government senator says no to calls for a delay in the implementation of the styrofoam ban. NEPA steps up pressure on mining company over Rio Cobra pollution. And the Factories Corporation seeks to clear the air over its divestment processes. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrew Lately is here with our preview. Andrew?
Yes, Janella, consumer prices went up last month, but did inflation hit the BOJ target range of between 4 to 6%, or was it another miss? The details in the Financial Week.
All right, thank you, Andrew. From Andrew, we go to Jordan for what's coming up in sports. Jordan.
Well, Herman, so Bina Park is expected to come alive tomorrow for the Pro-Am Fight card, which will feature 4 international contests. And we'll be bringing you live pay-per-view coverage on onespotmedia.com. I'll tell you more about that in Primetime Sports Friday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on calls to review the age of consent?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.